different aspects, that is healthcare, education, all social work, social causes, where we do some service projects. We will share all the details via email. So moving on to first slide. Next, please. Okay. So before we start practicing, I'll just brief about all this some practice related preparations and how to do it, what not to do it. So do's and don'ts that we need to take care. So overall, see, when we start something practicing, if you are a practitioner, so you know all that. If you are not practicing regularly, then it is required to know these points. We need to listen to our body, whatever our body allows. If we can't do it, then we have to stop there. So don't overstretch for anything. Don't overdo it, anything. When we are practicing, today we are practicing very lightly but focusing on lungs. But still, if you have BP, then you have to breathe normally, very gently. So that kind of listening you need to do of your body. If you have got any other issues, taking any medications, then this is a practice you can do with your doctor's consultations and permissions. If you are taking any Ayurvedic medicines, then also like herbs or roots or similar products, you are using it or you are going to use it, then if you have got any ailments, you need to focus again on that. Required to focus on. Now, next slide, please. Okay, so to improve our immunity, what type of food we should avoid? Normally, we put sugar in some or the other usage in day-to-day life. For example, tea, coffee. That is white sugar. Avoid that. It stops your or minimize the immune system's functioning for 2 hours. So at the place of white sugar, use jaggery or honey. Very important. White flour or maida, if we are using it, avoid few days or few weeks. Alcohol, now any type of addictions, avoid all the addictions, that is any tobacco related addictions, alcohol or any addictions you have, please avoid and stay away from it, because again it minimizes your immune system. There are medical science wise, there are 7 systems in our body. One of them is immune system, another is digestive system. So that's how it affects our immune system. Now unlock 1 is started. So only cure is increase your immune system and make it stronger. How? That's what we are doing it. Now everybody knows many aspects, but now onwards we need to implement and execute it practically if we are not doing. Another aspect is my discussion with a pathologist who does all the tests at laboratory. What they do is they do all types of tests, but till date there is no test of how is your immune system. It is stronger or medium or weaker. Nobody knows. So there is no test of your immune system. So only checkpoint is what you eat, what you practice, that will save you when you start working, going out, moving out, while everything is unlocking slowly and gradually. with total awareness, no doubt. We'll talk on that. Now, avoid processed foods or packaged foods or frozen foods, right? Make it, or artificial modified foods which we are having included in our day-to-day life. Slowly, gradually make a list that what are these and minimize it. Carbonated beverages, all the aerated drinks we should avoid. That is important. And deep fried food. Now, when we eat deep fried food, it goes in the system, in digestive system wall inside, that sticks all the oily stuff. So to clean, like how we clean our water pot, right? I mean, जो गड़ा भरते हैं पानी का, we clean it every day. So how to clean all that which stick to our inside digestive system? One of them is oily stuff. So that is not so good to eat at this point of time, like bhaji and all that. Okay, what type of food we need to take? Now, there are three types of food: sattvic, rajasic, tamasic. So, tamasic is all like yesterday's food, or we have kept left over in the fridge and we are eating again. That is tamasic food. Tamasic food has got, like Jain people don't eat all this under the ground which grows, because there are some impacts on our body in Ayurveda science. It is mentioned that tamasic food comes onion, garlic, uh, cooked food of yesterday or morning food we eat, not so fresh food. Then Rajasic food, it's all white sugar or sugar related items. Then whichever which does not give a sattvic type of feeling, that gives you high. Okay, tamasic food has got impact, you become lazy. Rajasic food has got impact where you become hyperactive. Okay, sattvic food now. So sattvic food is fresh fruits, fresh salads, fresh vegetable or fresh cooked food which we are eating, nuts, fresh milk and whole grains which we are having it. But all fresh we need to eat and drink. Now all these aspects, next please, we need to really take care. So sattvic, rajasic, tamasic. If you feel like it, you can take a snapshot in between. So that will be very helpful to you to refer this details. Yeah. I hope you all are following me. Yeah. Please say yes on chat box so that we come to know that yes, you are following us. I hope if it is not audible, then use your headphone. That will be more helpful. Now, some more spices which are immunity boosters, which we have already at home. For example, turmeric, haldi. Increase intake that we are using it in vegetable which we cook. A part of that, use that turmeric in hot water and have at least 2 or 3 times in a day. Black pepper, jeera, that is cumin, dhania, that is coriander, that powder, and garlic. Garlic, you can use it in your vegetable, but in proper proportionate. Now depend upon how many people are at home, so that kind of quantity you need to use, but not so excessive quantity, a moderate which is required. That way we have to use it. Now all these spices we can use it as and when, wherever possible. Next point is drink herbal tea, where you can put, or we call it kada. That is what we supposed to put in that: tulsi leaves, dalchini, that is cinnamon, kali mirch, black pepper. You have to crush it and then boil it so that it all the earth comes into water. Then dry ginger. Uh, you can use dry ginger powder, which is available in the market, or you can make it at home. If you have dry ginger at home, just grind it. Or fresh ginger also, crush it and put the arc of it. Then munakka, that is raisin, and you can add turmeric, then ajwain and carom seeds, and little salt, that is rock salt, which is, we call it sindha namak. So white salt is not so advisable, because whatever white, that is sugar or salt, we call it, people are advertising on TV, it is like iodized salt and all that. But as it becomes white, that is more processed and refined. Now, earlier our ancestors or grandfather, they were not having all these things. That's why they were living healthily, happily, longer life. So that affects. Okay. So this kind of kada you can make in a quantity and have it sip by sip throughout the day. Yeah. At least 2 times a day. You can have it morning and evening, especially after breakfast and after food. If you have this, then your throat get cleansed after having this kada, which I am also practicing. Then golden milk. Now what you supposed to put in? Okay, apart of that, I forgot to tell you that in kada, after boiling all that uh, ingredients which we have mentioned, put honey and lime juice on that. You don't boil it, but above that, after you take off from the gas stove, put that. So lime juice and honey. If you are not using jaggery, you can use honey. Okay, golden milk, same way you can have hot milk with turmeric once in a day, or whenever anybody is having, you can put turmeric in tea also along with ginger powder. So if you have habit of, but tea has got tannin, again a stimulating drink. Coffee has got caffeine, again a stimulating drink. That's why we have mentioned milk, not tea or coffee. Okay. Uh, Next, please. Normally, throughout the day, you need to keep yourself hydrated. So, keep drinking water. Now, monsoon is approaching, so boil water and then room temperature, keep sipping or keep drinking water throughout the day. So, your body has got a lot of water, because body is made up of 70% of water. Okay. Now, we have taken all this material from reliable source. One of them is Ayush, Ministry of Ayush, that is government website. Even government has promoted all these things to boost our immune system. Now, apart of that, what we have seen, you can have Chaman Prash, then Amrut tablets, which are available in Ayurvedic stores, Tulsi extract or powder, you can use it. Immutol capsules, which is connecting to immune system. Shakti drops, again it is from Shri Shri Tattva. They are having Tulsi arc. So you can have that. Turmeric tablets. Now turmeric tablet you can make it at home. Mix turmeric, little jaggery, and make a little rounds, so that you can have every day one. You can make that, but you can't, I mean, you can make it for a week and again you make new turmeric tablets at home. But this turmeric tablet are Ayurvedic and you can get it from Ayurveda stores. Ginger liquid extract or powder, which are available, we have mentioned in Amla tablets. So these are all available at Ayurveda stores. Apart of that, you are going to get this any Ayurveda medicines from the stores. Please make sure that if you have got any ailments in your body, then consult your Ayurvedic doctor before. They normally check your, see, allopathic doctor put 2 fingers on your wrist. Ayurvedic doctor put 3 fingers on your wrist. Why 3? Because they check your balance or imbalance of Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So if Kapha imbalances in your body, then Kapha imbalances, that is your chest region Kapha accumulates. Your tummy region Vata accumulates. And your head region Pitta accumulates. So time wise, it is always changing in our body. So that Ayurvedic doctor can check what is imbalance. Same way, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, Vat, Pit, Kaph. So these are the doshas and gunas in the body which all the human being has. Next, please. So that we continue practicing at home, whether someone is monitoring us, but if you are a female, you are the kitchen in charge, that is your responsibility, or you can ask someone to help you and make it together. Also spread this message to all your communities and around. Why so? Because if one person is not well or affected with COVID, now before I move to continue this slide about COVID, there are different stages of corona. Corona having positive doesn't mean anyone is going to die. So you have to be very careful but aware as well. Corona positive means you get cough and cold and fever. Okay, so it can be cured. How they treat, doctor knows how to treat that. Okay, so just visit the doctor and that's all. It could be flu wise, you must be reading all that thing, but still I'm repeating. Reason why? Because I want to mention that it has got 3 stages. COVID-19 is the highest stage where you get infected in lungs. So we are going to focus today on lungs with practices. Now about this, whatever Ayurvedic procedures, nasal applications and oil pulling therapy and all that, that you need to do under the observation of Ayurvedic doctor. Okay, but it is helpful. That's why we have mentioned. Now, every day we need to practice it. We are going to practice in 5 minutes. Next, please. See, only food, only practice will not help. Your body requires, if you are working professional, 8 hours sleep minimum. Then 1 hour, see, you are giving 24 hours to all around you, your family members, your relatives, your work, everything. But why don't you give 1 hour to yourself and then you can perform well for all of them 23 hours. It's a good idea. Okay. Now, if you have any queries, you can type on a chat box and when time permits, we'll answer that. Okay. Now, Arogya Setu app is must in today's time, which is government app. Crores of people already downloaded, because if you are flying by flight, it is mandatory. Train or any other transport, malls. Once everything is start unlocking, everywhere this app will be helpful to you and others. Also, the people who are managing maybe malls or the government system, it will be helpful to everyone around us, including us. Next, please. Okay, next. Now we need to practice. So I hope you are comfortable sitting position.